For this episode of Beyond the Bookshelf, we are your hosts Prachi, Namit, Sai, Kevalyan, Samadrita, and Anya. So sit back and enjoy the beautiful and charming world of Malgudi Days.
Hello and welcome to Once Upon a Mic, where stories aren't just told, they're felt. Today, we journey into one of India's most beloved literary world, Malgudi Days, written by the legendary R.K. Narayan. It's a collection of short stories that may seem simple on the surface, yet beneath that simplicity lies a universe of emotion, filled with humor, irony, and a deep understanding of human nature.
Malgudi, a town that exists only in the words, yet feels more alive than most places on a map. You can almost see it. The little railway station bathed in the golden evening sun, the chatter of the shopkeepers at the bazaar, children chasing each other down dusty lanes after school. Narayan paints Malgudi so vividly that by the time you finish a story, it feels like home, a place you've always known, even if you've never been there.
What makes Malgudi Days truly timeless is how Narayan finds magic in the mundane. Take an astrologer's day, the tale of a roadside astrologer whose mysterious lives take an unexpected turn when he meets a man from his past. With just a few words and a quiet twist, Narayan transforms an ordinary evening into something unforgettable, showing how destiny can hide in the most ordinary corners of life.
Then there's The Missing Mail, a story of a kind-hearted postman who delays delivering a letter, knowing it might bring sorrow to a family on the brink of a wedding. It's such a small act, yet it speaks volume about empathy, responsibility, and the delicate balance between duty and compassion. Narayan shows us that sometimes doing the right thing isn't about the rules, it's about the heart.
And of course, we cannot forget Swami and Friends. Swami, the mischievous, wild-eyed schoolboy whose adventures bring back the chaos and charm of childhood. From faking stomach aches to escaping class to forming his own cricket team, Swami's world is full of laughter, rebellion, and innocence, reminding us that growing up is the greatest adventure of all.
What makes Narayan's storytelling so remarkable is its simplicity. He doesn't rely on heavy language or complex descriptions. Instead, he lets the rhythm of daily life speak, capturing humor, irony, and tenderness through moments that feel real and human. His writing proves that you don't need grand heroes to tell powerful stories. Sometimes, the most ordinary people leave the deepest mark.
Each story in Malgudi Days stands alone, yet together they weave a complete picture. A living, breathing town filled with dreams, struggles, and small victories. It's like looking at different reflections of one shared soul, the soul of Malgudi.
Even decades later, the themes remain as relatable as ever. Friendships, honesty, ambition, love, and the eternal dance between right and wrong. That's what makes Malgudi timeless. It speaks to who we were, who we are, and who we continue to be.
And through it all runs Narayan's quiet humor, gentle, sharp, and deeply observant. A teacher losing patience with his class, a shopkeeper counting every coin twice. These moments make us smile because they're so real. He finds laughter in truth and truth in laughter.
But beyond the font, Malgudi isn't just a fictional town, it's a mirror of India itself. Its kindness, contradictions, hopes, and humanities all live within its streets. Through his stories, R.K. Narayan captures a country finding its identity, caught between tradition and change, yet always grounded in compassion.
And that's the magic of Malgudi Days. It turns the ordinary into the extraordinary. Every person, every quiet street, every small decision carries a story worth telling. It reminds us that even the simplest lives hold infinite beauty.
Malgudi may not exist on any map, but once you've been there, you never really leave. It lingers in your memory like a warm evening breeze, gentle, familiar, and full of heart.
And this was Once Upon a Mic for you all.
Today, we took you to the heart of Malgudi Days, a town built from words but alive with emotion.
And with that, we've been your hosts, Namit, Prachi, Kevin, Sai, Anya, and Samadrita.
Students who believe that stories, no matter how simple, can open entire worlds.
Through R.K. Narayan's lens, we discovered that even the smallest moments can carry the biggest meanings.
Thank you for listening and for sharing these thoughtful minutes with us in the town of Malgudi.
Until next time, keep reading, keep reflecting, and keep discovering stories that speak to the heart.